Welcome to the Ascendosoft demonstration of the DigitalDrawer document management system. Today we will discuss the two primary methods of adding documents to DigitalDrawer. The first method will be used when you need to insert just a few documents into the system. This can be done within the main DigitalDrawer application. The second method will allow you to scan or import a large quantity of documents very quickly and label them virtually all at the same time. This can be done within a separate application called DigitalDrawer Capture. It can be a big time saver anytime you have a lot of documents that need to be scanned or imported. First, let's talk about scanning or importing individual documents into DigitalDrawer.
At this point, we have already logged into DigitalDrawer and are viewing the student records library. To scan or import a new document into DigitalDrawer, you can either drag and drop a file directly into the appropriate folder, or you can click the Add Document button at the top of the screen. From this screen, you can either scan a document directly into DigitalDrawer, or you can click the Import Document button to import a file from your computer into the system. Once the document is displayed on the screen, you can label the document with the appropriate information. As you can see, when we selected Andrew Green as the student name, the student ID and date of birth fields were automatically filled in with Andrew Green's student ID and date of birth. This feature can speed up the process of labeling documents tremendously. You can also grab information directly from the document by simply selecting the area in the document where the information resides. You can then paste that information into the appropriate field by right-clicking your mouse and selecting Paste. This can also speed up the labeling process as well as prevent you from misspelling information. This is very handy if there are complex numbers on the document, such as an invoice number. Once you are finished labeling the document, you can upload the document into DigitalDrawer by clicking Upload Document. Once the document has been uploaded, you can either proceed to import more documents into DigitalDrawer, or close the screen and go back to the document grid. As we mentioned earlier, this is how you can get individual documents into the system. In the event that you have a large quantity of documents that need to be scanned, which is often the case when you first begin using DigitalDrawer, you will use DigitalDrawer Capture to scan these files. DigitalDrawer Capture is our tool designed to help organizations utilize the full speed of their scanner by allowing them to scan stacks of documents at once directly into DigitalDrawer. The application then allows you to easily parse the scanned pages out into smaller, logical documents for which the user can label virtually all at the same time. At this time, we have logged into DigitalDrawer Capture and are viewing a batch of scanned student records. We have already scanned a stack of pages into the application by clicking Documents, Scan Documents. In the list on the left, each numbered row represents one scanned page. The D to the left of the page number represents the beginning of a new document. These Ds can be easily removed or moved around by simply clicking your left mouse button. In order to get the Ds into the list, you can do one of two things. The most common way is to print out several of our document separator sheets from under the Tools menu. You can then insert the document separator sheets into the stack of pages in between the logical documents. When you scan the stack of pages into the application, DigitalDrawer will recognize the document separator sheets and will add the Ds into the list accordingly. Another common way of doing this is to not use the document separator sheets at all. Instead, just scan a stack of pages directly into the application. At that point, what you will have will be a lot of pages with no document breaks. You can then manually look at each page using the down arrow on your keyboard to locate the beginning of each logical document and mark it. Regardless of the method that you use, you are able to scan a large number of documents all at one time instead of having to scan each individual document separately. This is a big time saver that will greatly reduce the time it will take your organization to become paperless. At this point, we are now ready to begin labeling the documents. This is a very quick process and one of the biggest benefits of using DigitalDrawer Capture as opposed to some other scanning application. We will start by labeling the first document in the list using the exact same method that we used previously in the main application. As you can see, the index data that we just entered is applied to each page within this document. You can quickly label the next document by clicking the Copy Previous button, which automatically applies the index data from the previous document to this document. You then simply need to change the information that needs to be changed. Clicking the Next Document button will jump you to the beginning of the next document. We will now quickly label the rest of the documents using this method. As you can see, this is a very efficient method of labeling all of the documents that you have just scanned. This process can turn the most cumbersome part of becoming paperless into a quick and easy task. Once you have completed labeling all of your documents, you can then easily upload them into DigitalDrawer by selecting Batch, Upload Batch to DigitalDrawer.
This concludes our demonstration of DigitalDrawer. If you have any questions or would like to receive more information, please contact us at 425-749-3850 or visit our website at digitaldrawer.net. Thank you for your time.